Hello everyone. Let me hope you guys are doing good out there. My name is Moses Deng Abraham, student of Nusa Putra University from Civil Engineering Department. I'm going to explain the scientific paper given to us uh, by our English teacher for the academic English. So first of all, I'm going to start with the title uh, of the scientific paper. The title is Assessing the Impact of Green Roofs on Urban Stormwater Management. I'm going to start with the abstract. This presentation explores the findings of a research study investigating the effectiveness of green roofs in managing urban stormwater runoff. The study, conducted in a metropolitan area with a high percentage of impervious surfaces, provides compelling evidence for the significant benefits of green roof technology in mitigating the environmental impacts of urbanization. Next, I'm going to talk about the urbanization challenge. Firstly, increased impervious surfaces. Urbanization results in a high concentration of impervious surfaces such as roads, parking lots, and buildings. These surfaces prevent rainwater from naturally infiltrating the ground, leading to increased stormwater runoff. Secondly, I'm going to talk about the environmental impacts. Increased stormwater runoff contributes to flooding, erosions, and water quality degradation. Traditional stormwater management practices often struggle to address these issues effectively, highlighting the need for innovative solutions. Next, I'm going to talk about the green roofs as sustainable solution. First of all, I'm going to talk about vegetation and soil layers. Green roofs incorporate vegetation and soil layers on buildings, rooftops, making natural ecosystems and promoting water retention. And secondly, I'm going to talk about the stormwater management. Green roofs effectively manage stormwater by slowing down runoff, reducing peak flow rates, and increasing infiltration, minimizing flooding and erosion. Thirdly, I'm going to talk about water quality improvement. The vegetation and soil layers act as natural filters, removing pollutants from stormwater runoff, contributing to cleaner urban water waste. Next, I'm going to talk about the methodology. The methods involve a comparative analysis. First of all, I'm going to talk about site selection. The study involved two sites, one with a traditional roof and another with a green roof, ensuring a direct comparison of their performance. Secondly, I'm going to talk about the data collection. Data collection included runoff measurement using flow meters, water quality analysis of pollutants, and a statistical analysis to determine the significance of differences between the two roof types. Next, I'm going to talk about the results obtained with the significant benefits of green roofs. First of all, I'm going to talk about 50% runoff volume reduction. Green roofs reduce runoff volume by an average of 50% during rainfall events, significantly mitigating flooding risk. Next, I'm going to talk about the 30% of the peak flow reduction. Peak flow rates were reduced by approximately 30%, demonstrating the ability of green roofs to attenuate stormwater runoff. And then finally, I'm going to talk about the 60% water quality improvement. Green roofs effectively filtered pollutants with TSS concentration reduced by 60% and nitrogen and phosphorus levels decreased by 40%. Next, I'm going to talk about the green roof benefits extend beyond stormwater management. Firstly, I'm going to talk about urban heat island effect. Green roofs help mitigate the urban heat island effect by providing shade, and absorbing heat, improving the microclimate of the surrounding area. And then secondly, I'm going to talk about the biodiversity. Green roofs attract pollinators and beneficial insects, contributing to urban biodiversity and promoting a healthy ecosystem. And then thirdly, I'm going to talk about the energy savings. Green roofs provide insulation, reducing energy consumption for heating and cooling buildings, contributing to sustainability and cost savings. Uh, this brings me to conclusion. Green roofs as a sustainable solution, effective stormwater management. Green roofs offer a proven and effective solution for managing urban stormwater runoff, reducing flooding, erosion, and improving water quality. Multiple environmental benefits. Yeah, indeed, it has multiple environmental benefits. Green roofs contribute to mitigating the urban heat island effect, promoting biodiversity, and then reducing energy consumption, promoting a more sustainable urban environment. And then finally, for the future research and policy, continued research is needed to explore the long-term performance of green roofs and their integration into urban planning policies, paving the way for widespread adoption. Then the next steps involve in building a sustainable urban future. First of all, I'm going to talk about the further research involved. Continued research on green roof design, performance, and cost effectiveness is crucial to optimize their application in urban settings. And then policy integration. Policymakers should promote green roof adoption through incentives, regulations, and urban planning guidelines. And then finally, stakeholders engagement, collaboration among researchers, policymakers, developers, and community members is essential for successful implementation and widespread adoption of green roof technology.